What is money? Some say it's just coins and bills. But Sparky knows there's more to it than that. A long time ago, before money even existed, people traded things to get what they needed. Maybe you had apples, but wanted bread, so you'd have to find someone who had bread and wanted apples. It was slow and tricky, and not always fair, so people came up with a better idea, something everyone could use and agree on. That's how money was born.
Money is what we use to exchange things. It represents the time, effort, or ideas someone gives, and with it we can get what we need or want. Money isn't just for spending. You can also save it, grow it, or even share it to make someone's day better.
From shells to gold to invisible numbers in a phone, money keeps changing, but its magic stays the same. It moves the world, and we use it every day.
So what is money? It's not just something you carry. It's a tool you use to make choices and shape your future.
Join Sparky every week to learn more magical money secrets. Whether you're a kid or an adult, learning about money, finance, and business is something we all should do. Here in Wonderfunds.